So we about to start new week for the Dow, S&P, Nasdaq. A good bloodbath was there on Friday. It was a decent correction, and one of the unique characteristics of Friday's fall was that all the asset classes, fell down together, which is very rare, and that is probably a warning of things to come over the next few months. This may just be a sneak preview, I would say. You saw the Dow, S&P, Nasdaq falling over 1,000 points, Dow, S&P falling nicely. We had oil coming down, although within limits. We had Bitcoin falling below 60,000. So Bitcoin, by the way, has corrected 50% over the last 2 months. We had gold, silver also coming down 3% and 6.5% respectively. So that was also another difficult situation. So all in all, a rather tough week for tough day for stocks. In fact, Thursday was also not a good day. So we are about to commence another week beginning June 8 for the United States stock markets. We are just a little on the verge of a very well timed, I would say, SpaceX IPO, and it is over $1.5 trillion in market cap based on the asking price. Should be a good one, seeing the frenzy in the market. Maybe some of the liquidation was also to raise money to be able to subscribe to this IPO. That could be just one of the reasons. Other is an extremely hot market in the US. The frenzy that has, and you saw all the AI related stocks and stock exchanges across the world getting beaten. So we had the Kospi in South Korea getting beaten. We had in the United States the Dow, S&P, Nasdaq, and we had the Taiwan Stock Exchange. All fell in sympathy altogether. That tells you something. Although I believe that markets may recover in this forthcoming week, but it tells you how the markets at some stage, when the AI rally peters out, are going to shape up. You'll see all the asset classes fall together. As far as this forthcoming week is concerned for the Dow, S&P, and Nasdaq, the way I look at it is that it's a very sad situation for people who got stuck at the wrong end. Some of them were buying on Wednesday, buying into the frenzy, and they got stuck. But looking into the forthcoming week, I will see a week of extremes. There are some very good days and some not good days at all. For example, we may be okay to begin with, but there could be some pockets of weaknesses coming on Tuesday and Thursday as far as the American markets are concerned. So you need to be a little careful. Again, don't forget, what may be a pocket of weakness on certain days in the United States need not be pockets of weakness globally. So you have to bear that in mind as well. So my video is specifically addressed to people who are investing in American stock markets. So Tuesday, Thursday could be difficult. Monday, Wednesday, Friday, as of now, pockets of strength we will see in many parts, many periods across. And we have the SpaceX IPO, so that should be a landmark thing, a behemoth which can become a part of the Nasdaq. So this will be closely watched and very keenly subscribed to by retail and institutional investors alike. And to get to know more where the US markets, when the big thunder will come, this was just a preview with what we saw on Friday. I don't expect a major thunder this week now. But when the big thunder will come, if you want to know, definitely do subscribe to any of our Telegram channels. For the US markets, you can subscribe to Prime Plus by WhatsApping us 732-732-2720. Happy investing. Have a great week ahead. Take care. Bye-bye.